Hello, this is Dr. Jeetan Bendor for Physician Perspectives. I'd like to talk about the association between sarcopenia and osteoporosis. Here's a recent publication rather, from the Frontiers of Endocrinology titled Association Between Sarcopenia and Osteoporosis, the cross-sectional study from ENHANCE 1999 to 2020 and a bidirections Mendelian randomization study. We know that osteoporosis and sarcopenia are prevalent musculoskeletal conditions among the elderly. Osteoporosis is characterized by a reduction in bone mass and deterioration of bone tissue microstructure, leading to decreased bone strength and an increased risk of fractures. Now, these fractures pose a significant public health challenge, contributing to morbidity, functional impairment, reduced quality of life, and even mortality. Very important. Now, in parallel, sarcopenia is characterized by a widespread and progressive loss of skeletal muscle mass and function. Now, the causal relationship between sarcopenia and osteoporosis remains a subject of controversy and uncertainty. So, in this study, the authors employed a cross-sectional analysis and Mendelian randomization to investigate the intricate relationship between sarcopenia and osteoporosis, that is, bone challenge along with muscle challenge. So this cross-sectional study utilized data from the ENHANCE study or survey spanning between 1999 to 2020, which involved around 116,000 participants, but ultimately comprising 5,840 individuals in this study, because some of them had to be eliminated because they didn't have osteoporosis or probably sarcopenia. The study revealed a positive correlation between osteoporosis and the prevalence of sarcopenia. It suggests a potentially robust causal relationship between osteoporosis and sarcopenia. Now, why is this important and why am I interested in this? Because what we do is we treat bone on a separate basis. So when we see patients or when you see people with osteoporosis, challenge with the bone, we focus only on the bone. And that shouldn't happen. We need to focus on the musculoskeletal system, which means that the muscle and the bone attached to each other make a big difference when both are treated. In other words, osteoporosis has to be treated rather, looking at the bone with minerals, with protein, and improvement in muscle mass and probably muscle strength. Very important. Thank you very much.